Malaysia, a country of lush rainforests, bustling cities, and rich cultural mix. But have you ever wondered what the name Malaysia actually means? It might seem straightforward, but there's a fascinating story behind how this name came to represent not just a country, but an entire region's identity. Let's dive into the origins of Malaysia's name and uncover the history behind it. Breaking down the name. The name Malaysia is made up of two parts, Malay and Sia. The first part, Malay, refers to the Malay people who have lived across the region for centuries, from the Malay Peninsula to parts of Borneo, Sumatra, and beyond. The second part, Sia, is believed to be derived from the Latin Greek suffix that means land or country, similar to what we see in names like Indonesia or Polynesia. So when you put it all together, Malaysia basically means land of the Malays. Where did the name come from? Before becoming an independent country, the region was known by various names, like Malaya and the Federation of Malaya. But in 1963, when Malaya united with Sabah, Sarawak, and Singapore, which later left in 1965, the new nation needed a name that reflected its broader identity. Malaysia was chosen to emphasize the shared cultural and ethnic heritage of the Malay peoples across these territories, while also signaling the birth of a new, united country. More than just a Malay. While the name highlights the Malay roots, Malaysia is famous for its incredible diversity, with significant Chinese, Indian, and indigenous communities who all contribute to the nation's identity today. So even though Malaysia means land of the Malays, the country itself is a beautiful mosaic of cultures, languages, and religions. What the name means today. Today, Malaysia is known globally for its fast-growing economy, stunning nature, and multicultural harmony. The name serves as a reminder of both its historical roots and its modern identity as a united, diverse nation. It's simple, meaningful, and proudly worn by a country that bridges tradition and progress. So now you know, Malaysia's name means land of the Malays, but its true strength lies in its diversity and unity. What country name should I explore next? Drop your pick in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this with someone curious about truly Asia, Malaysia. See you in the next country.